What is up, guys? Today we're going to be unboxing Apple's AirPods Pro. So I picked this up today at Best Buy because everywhere it's sold out, from Apple, Amazon, Target, Walmart, everywhere it's sold out since probably Black Friday or something, or December. During the holidays, this was like out of stock everywhere, even Best Buy, I believe. But I saw that it was available finally in Best Buy, and I know this got released in October, but it took me a lot of convincing to purchase this item. One, because all the AirPods, the first and second generation AirPods fit my ear pretty well, and I thought that I don't like earbuds that have this as much because usually they're uncomfortable, but I heard otherwise, and like I said, it took a lot of convincing that these are actually pretty comfortable, and I guess I'll have to figure it out myself. But yeah, but shout out to my friends who did recommend this. Actually, shout out to Rob, because a funny story behind that is that when this got released, I convinced him to buy these because he had the regular AirPods and it didn't fit him. And as soon as this came out, I'm like, dude, this is perfect because it has these earbuds that stick in your ear, and like this should fit everyone's ear apparently. But yeah, so shout outs to him. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Wow, I didn't know that these regular AirPods have a pull tab, because my regular AirPods, well, my AirPods 1 and 2 didn't have that pull tab. I had to kind of just like pull it myself, or I think so, I don't remember, but I don't really recall having a pull tab, but that's cool. I like pull tabs, it makes things easier. Alright, so here it is. Also, when I picked this up at Best Buy, I literally got it within like 10 minutes because it was ready for pickup within 10 minutes. So here we go. For the slow opening. Just kidding. Okay. So here it is, designed by Apple in California. Here are the AirPods. Let's see what's inside. I'm not sure if this will have stickers, because like all the AirPods don't have stickers. Yep, no stickers, which sucks, but yeah, I always expect stickers with these kinds of products. So before we look into this, let's check out what's inside the box. Oh, so right here we got the different earpieces, different sizes. So we got small and large, because the one on, I believe the one on the thing is medium, obviously. That's cool. And then we have the lightning to USB charger over here. Actually, there was a story about one of my friends who actually threw out their box not knowing that there was a lightning charger, so damn, that sucks for that person. So anyway, here is the awesome part. Okay, so this feels really nice to hold. I've held my friend's AirPods, and they did feel really nice. It feels like my regular AirPods, except obviously this is the blown out version. I'll show you my version, AirPods 2 version. So this is the AirPods 2. I didn't get the wireless version because I think I'm fine without the wireless version, and this was on sale actually during Black Friday for like $135 at Walmart, so this was a steal. As you can see, the size, it looks about the same, it feels about the same, it's just a little bit larger, and obviously if you put it this way it's wide, but it's practically the same. I don't feel like this will be bigger than this one, because I mean, even though it really is, but it doesn't feel heftier. So yeah, that's how it looks like. This is the comparison. Also, as you can see, the stem on this is much longer than these baby ones, and I don't know if you guys seen that meme, that photo I mean. I'm gonna insert a photo of it. It basically, if you take these out, you could create like a person, which is kind of cute. But yeah, so as you can see, look at the stem with this one, on this one and this one. There is a huge difference. This one's much shorter, obviously, and I don't know, it looks very intriguing, actually. Like I said, I'm perfectly fine with the regular AirPods, but I just want to try this out because I know it has noise canceling, and I know I have Amazon's Echo Buds, but like I said, my friends keep convincing me that these noise cancellation is perfect, and it's almost, actually it's better than Amazon's Echo Buds, so I'll be testing that out. So right here I have my iPhone 11 Pro Max, and I'm just gonna see how fast this connects. So this has the same chip as the AirPods 2, the H1 chip, and it should be really fast to connect. And yeah, let's see. So I didn't have to press a button, all I had to do was open it and it finally connects. There's the thing that says Airpods Pro connect, and it's connecting. So media control, oh yeah, so instead of double tapping, all the buttons are here and you have to like press it and stuff, so it's very different from the regular ones. You could also like change your transparency or the noise canceling using that. Control center, oh yeah, I will show you guys that later, how it works. Basically using the 3D touch, that's how it works. Anyway, so as you can see, my AirPods have been charged to 70%. That's what it came with, and now it's charging. It should be connected. Okay, let's see. So that connected easily. As soon as I put it in, it's already, I heard it on my phone that it's connected. As you can see on the thing, it's already connected. So this is what I was talking about in the control section. When you hold on to it, there's noise cancellation, there's off, and transparency. So noise cancellation obviously means all the noise is canceled, and right now it's on my ear and it is pretty, like, I don't hear that much. Obviously there's no noise right now, but like, you know what I mean, like I could barely hear myself as much. And then with transparency, I can hear myself very clearly, but I feel like, yeah, it's actually not that bad. Yeah, this is a weird sound, but I like it. It's definitely different from the Echo Buds. Like when I do turn off the pass-through, that's what they call it, like I feel like I hear every single sound and it's kind of weird. And then off, like basically I could still hear myself, but it feels like just regular headphones, I guess. I'm not sure, but yeah, so let's put it back. So yeah, so this is awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what is that called? I'm gonna show you the about on these AirPods. I think I might have to connect it again. Oh, cool. Now it finally says Chesclin's AirPods Pro. Awesome. So as you can see the firmware version and the hardware version. I don't know if that's the latest version, but yeah. Anyway, you guys, this is pretty good. I like it so far. I'm excited too because I'd want to get the wireless version for the AirPods 2, but obviously I didn't find that it was that worth it enough to spend like an extra $40 or $50 more just to get the wireless version. But with this one, obviously there's only one version and it does come with wireless already, so yeah, this was pretty worth it. Yeah, we'll see in the next couple of weeks and months maybe how well this does, because like I said, I'm perfectly fine with the AirPods 2 and I'm very satisfied with it, and I'm wondering if I'm going to be satisfied with these. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. This is another unboxing video of mine. If you want to see more unboxing videos, I tend to unbox a lot of tech videos, so if you like what you see, like, subscribe, and please watch my next video. Bye guys. Peace.